Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare healthy and simple watermelon feta salad. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare this salad. We need diced watermelon, de-seeded and diced avocado, 1/4 cup of feta cheese, salt to taste, some basil leaves or you can use mint leaves for garnishing, half lime and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now let's start the preparation. First we are going to prepare the seasoning. Take 1 tablespoon of olive oil, squeeze half lime. If you like to have more lime, then you can add lime juice more. Add salt to taste and stir everything well. Our seasoning mix is ready. Keep this aside. Now we can prepare the salad. In a big mixing bowl, take de-seeded watermelon, avocado, add seasoning. Now it's time to add feta cheese. I am keeping some for garnishing. Now gently we have to mix everything well. This is very simple to prepare and tastes really good. If you like to have some spiciness in watermelon salad, then you can add serrano peppers or just green chili. Now I am going to garnish it with some more feta cheese and some basil leaves. Healthy and tasty watermelon feta salad is ready to eat. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.